Okay, today we're going to be looking at finding half of a set. So the other day we were looking at finding a fraction of a set. So we had our birds and we had our yogurt tubs and we had all sorts. And today we're going through looking at finding half of a set, no matter how big that set is. All right, so let's have a wee look at this. So two pirates went, they have a treasure map and they went setting off to find treasure. Okay, the first treasure chest that they found had 2 coins in it. Okay, quite simple. They decided to split it halfway. So they said, oh, I'll split this halfway. So you get half and I'll get half. And in this case, half of 2, okay, is going to be 1. All right. Now, the next treasure chest that they found, let's say, had 4 coins in it. Okay. Now, this one again, they split down the middle. So one pirate got 2 out of 4 bits, and the other pirate got 2 out of 4 bits. And those are both, so 2 quarters is also equal to a half, okay? So a half of 4 is equal to 2. Right? Because we know that we split this down the middle. We've got 2 for one pirate and 2 for the other pirate, which is a half, but it's also 2 quarters because one pirate got 2 out of 4 potential bits and the other pirate got 2 out of 4 potential bits. Okay. The next treasure chest they went to find had 6 coins in it. Again, they thought they'd be really kind to each other and they split it down the middle. They said, you can have half and I can have half. And now this time we have 6 potential bits and each pirate ends up with 1, 2, 3. So 3/6 is equal to a half of the treasure and a half of 6 is equal to 3. Perfect. All right. The next treasure chest they went to find had 8 bits of coin in it. And again, they decided to split it down the middle. And this time there are 8 potential bits, 8 bits of the set, okay? And each pirate got 4. So now we know that 4/8 is equal to 1/2. And 1/2 of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to talk about the relationship between halves and dividing. All right, now it might already be obvious to you, but when we have our 4 bits of treasure here, okay, we want to find a half of it. What we're doing is we're dividing by the number of people that we want to split it for. So we have 4 and we divide it by 2. Okay, and when we divide 4 by 2, we end up with 2. So because we're trying to find 1/2, we divide by our denominator. We divide by 2. Okay, and we can do the same thing here. We wanted to find half of 6, so we do 6 divided by 2, or split into 2 equal bits, is equal to 3. Again, we took our denominator and we divided by our denominator in order to find a fraction of a set. In this case, we're finding a half of a set, so we're always going to be dividing by 2, but that's how we find a fraction of a set. We divide by the denominator. Okay, let's pretend that I'm not going to draw 100 bits of coin, but let's pretend that the pirates found 100 coins at some point on their journey, okay? And we wanted to find, so what is 1/2 of 100, okay? And we know that in order to find a half, we just have to take our set, which is 100. So we have 100, and we're just going to divide it, or we're going to split it into, we're going to divide it by our denominator. So we want to split 100 into 2 equal parts. one part for the one pirate and one part for the other pirate. So we have 100 divided by 2, and all of you are sitting there at home thinking, oh, I know the answer to that. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So what is half of 100? Half of 100 is 50. And we can do this with anything when we have a set. When we have a set and we want to find half of the set, we divide the total number of things in the set by 2. Okay.